Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make profile on Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat. Once you open your Snapchat, go to the profile icon on the left top corner. Tap on that. Uh, Once you tap on that, you come to this section where you scroll down until you find public profile. Here is you can see there is no public profile right now. So what you want to change it, if you're under 18, then this is the video for you guys. First of all, go to the settings on the top right corner, and once you go on that, simply go to your birthday and change the date of birth set to increase your age. So simply change here the date of birth based on your age. Increase the age as much as possible, make it more than 18 or 20. Then go back. Once you go back again, go to the section where you can see privacy control. Here you can simply uh, tap on view my story and simply change it to everyone. If it's on other, make it's everyone. And once you do that, go to contact me, and also here make it everyone, and go to see me in quick add. Also tick this mark and go back and make sure that you have updated your Snapchat. So go to Play Store and tap Snapchat updated version. Once you do that and install it into your mobile phone and try it again, and I'm hope this will work. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope this video will help. Thank you.